Okay, so I got some of these because they look really handy, like in a pinch. I don't have anything on my tire right now to put them in, but if you have run over a screw or a nail, just anything, you got different sizes here. You just pull that out and you can screw this in, so it's like a temporary fix. It's got a coating and stuff on it that will seal up your injury to your tire. So I got some of these to throw in the back of the Jeep, and hopefully never have to use them, but just in case. I mean, I got tire plugs and repair stuff in here just in case, and it's nice to have. So click the link and check it out, see if it's something that you can use.